Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iCloud link for photos. Here's a step guide to make an iCloud link for photos using a Windows PC. First, turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. And the search bar, type iCloud.com and press enter. On the iCloud website, click Sign In, then provide your email or Apple ID. Enter your password. Complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Approve from your iPhone or another Apple device. Once inside the iCloud, click on the Photos app icon. Browse and select the photos or videos you want to share. To select multiple items, hold down Control while clicking each photo or video, or you can only right click on one video or image. After selecting, look for the share button, usually a share with an upward arrow, and the share options appeared. Click Create Link. Wait a moment while iCloud generates a shareable link. Once done, click on Copy Link. Once generated, the link will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Now you can paste the iCloud link into email, chat apps, browser, or documents to share the photos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.